ഡിപ്പാർട്സൺ എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേരള PSC നടത്തുന്ന ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ടെസ്റ്റ് KER ജാനുവരി 2019 വർഷത്തെ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറിലെ 51 മുതൽ 75 വരെയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഈ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓരോ ചോദ്യത്തിനും 10 സെക്കൻഡ് സമയം. 10 സെക്കൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയുത്തരം സ്ക്രീനിൽ തെളിയുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടി എന്നത് സ്വയം വിലയിരുത്തുക. 1 മുതൽ 50 വരെയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളുടെ ലിങ്ക് താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. വീഡിയോ കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലപ്പെട്ട അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തണമെന്ന് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. നമുക്ക് നേരെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. A teacher shall retire on the afternoon of the last day of the month, which he complete 56 years of the age in between. Option A, June to March. Option B, March to June. Option C, July to March. Option D, April to June. Right answer is option B, March to June. The manager may at any time place a teacher under suspension on sufficient reasons specified in Rule 67(1), but it cannot be extended beyond option A, 30 days without the previous sanction of the officer concerned. Option B, 6 months without the previous sanction of the officer concerned. Option C, 15 days without the previous sanction of the officer concerned. Option D, 1 month without the previous sanction of the officer concerned. Right answer is option C, 15 days without the previous sanction of the officer concerned. Teachers on suspension are eligible for subsistence allowance at the rate equal to that of for half pay leave salary for the period. Option A, for 6 months. Option B, for the entire period of suspension. Option C, for 1 year and 3/4 of the amount of the half pay leave salary after 1 year. Option D, for the period of 3 years. Right answer is option B, for the entire period of suspension. A teacher who is detained in custody on civil, criminal or other proceedings more than dash shall be deemed to have been under suspension during that period. Option A, 24 hours. Option B, 48 hours. Option C, 72 hours. Option D, 90 hours. Right answer is option B, 48 hours. The lowest authority competent to impose the penalty of censure is option A, educational officer. Option B, manager. Option C, headmaster. Option D, Grama Panchayat secretary or municipal secretary. Right answer is option C, headmaster. At the detailed enquiry against a teacher, he may present his case before the enquiry officer. Option A, through a legal practitioner. Option B, he himself. Option C, with the support of a service of consultant. Option D, with the support of a retired employee. Right answer is option D, with the support of a retired employee. No appeal on disciplinary proceedings shall be entertained unless it is submitted within a period of option A, 30 days. Option B, 15 days. Option C, 2 months. Option D, 45 days. Right answer is option C, 2 months. Seniority lists to teachers in an educational agency having schools within an educational sub-district shall be approved by the option A, district educational officer. Option B, deputy director of education. Option C, director. Option D, Assistant Educational Officer. Right answer is option D, Assistant Educational Officer. No teacher, except with the previous sanction of dash, to accept the promotion, registration or management of any bank or company. Option A, manager. Option B, educational officer having jurisdiction over the school. Option C, director of public instructions. Option D, government. Right answer is option D, government. Teachers shall not be allowed to publish any book without obtaining prior permission of the option A, educational officer concerned. Option B, Deputy Director of Education. Option C, Director of Public Instruction. Option D, Government. Right answer is option D, Government. A teacher who has been removed from service from an aided school on account of insolvency is not eligible for reappointment. Option A, in any aided school. Option B, in any public service or in the same aided school. Option C, in any government service. Option D, in any other recognized school. Right answer is option B, in any public service or in the same aided school. No association of teachers in any class thereof shall be recognized unless it satisfies that the association represents dash of the class. Option A, not less than 25% of the total in that class. Option B, not less than 50% of the total in that class. Option C, not less than 20% of the total in that class. Option D, not less than 10% of the total in that class. Right answer is option A, not less than 25% of the total in that class. If a teacher who has not received any reply to a representation made to the appropriate authority within 3 months, he is free to make a written representation to government with a copy of the representation to the option A, director. Option B, manager. Option C, deputy director. Option D, appropriate authority. Right answer is option D, appropriate authority. No teacher in a school shall eligible to continue as teacher if he option A, avail leave. Option B, is irregular in attendance. Option C, behaves towards his pupils, their parents, headmaster, manager or any educational officer in any manner grossly unbecoming of a teacher. Option D, quarrels with others. Right answer is option C, behaves towards his pupils, their parents, headmaster, manager or any educational officer in any manner grossly unbecoming of a teacher. Sufficient notice shall be given by the educational officer to the headmaster for annual inspection. It is for option A, 2 weeks. Option B, 1 month. Option C, 5 days. Option D, 7 days. Right answer is option D, 7 days. Inspection should always be conducted with reference to the remarks and instructions recorded in the previous occasions. Option A, by the Deputy Director of Education. Option B, by the District Education Officer, Assistant Education Officer, as the case may who made inspection in the last occasions. Option C, based on the directions of the education officer. Option D, as per the instructions of the director. Right answer is option B, by the district education officer, assistant education officer, as the case may, who made inspection in the last occasions. Every manager of aided schools shall send a list of all movable and immovable properties of the school to the education officer. Option A, on the 1st January of the year. Option B, on or before 15th July of the years. Option C, on the 1st April of each year. Option D, on or before the opening day after the midsummer vacation. Right answer is option C, on the 1st April of each year. The additional posts in of category on staff fixation shall be filled up by the manager by appointing teachers from among the option A, excess teachers in the educational district. Option B, list of protected teachers in the teachers bank and by appointing teachers otherwise shall be in the ratio 1:1. Option C, excess teachers in the revenue district. Option D, list of excess teachers declared by the deputy director. Right answer is option B, list of protected teachers in the teachers bank and by appointing teachers otherwise shall be in the ratio 1:1. The educational agencies having more than a school may: option A, transfer the protected teachers appointed in one school and another. Option B, not transfer to another school without the consent of the teacher. Option C, not transfer from one school to another or terminate his service without the prior permission of the deputy director. Option D, not terminate the service of protected teacher. Right answer is option C, not transfer from one school to another or terminate his service without the prior permission of the deputy director. The enlistment of teachers eligible for protection under Teachers Bank at revenue district level shall be done: option A, by the Deputy Director of Education. Option B, by the Director of Public Instruction. Option C, by the government. Option D, by the District Education Officer at the headquarters of the revenue district. Right answer is option A, by the Deputy Director of Education. In every LP school on non-shift, there shall be one post of headmaster and option A, as many posts of LPSAs reduced by one and one more LPSA if the strength of pupils exceeds 150. Option B, as many posts of LPSAs as the number of divisions irrespective of the total number of pupils. Option C, as many posts of LPSAs as the number of divisions reduced by one irrespective of the total number of pupils. Option D, as many posts of LPSAs as the number of divisions even if the total strength of pupils are less than 150. Right answer is option A, as many posts of LPSAs reduced by one and one more LPSA if the strength of pupils exceeds 150. For Arabic learning, the number of periods per divisions is 4. Therefore, if there is only one division for each standard for Arabic learning, the post shall be for all the 4 standards. Option A, nil. Option B, 1 part-time post. Option C, 1 full-time post. Option D, nil and one of the LPST shall teach Arabic. Right answer is option C, 1 full-time post. In a UP school having standard 1 to 7, if Arabic learning is permitted in all the standards and the periods for Arabic in the LP and UP sections are 28 each, the post of Arabic shall be option A, 1 full-time in UP section and 1 full-time in the LP section. Option B, 1 full-time in the LP section, 1 full-time and part-time in the UP section. Option C, 1 full-time in the LP section and 2 full-time in the UP section. Option D, 2 part-time posts in the LP section and 1 full-time in UP section. Right answer is option A, 1 full-time in UP section and 1 full-time in the LP section. As per Rule 6.4, Chapter 23, there shall be full-time posts of specialist teachers, 1 each for part-time, drawing, music and sewing for each high school or high school section, provided no post shall be sanctioned in a subject if the periods in that subject is less than dash in a week. Option A, 15 periods. Option B, 25 periods. Option C, 5 periods. Option D, 10 periods. Right answer is option C, 5 periods. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഉപകാരപ്രദമായ മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടന്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോയുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ യഥാസമയം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്.